Welcome to the Hoodoos of Drumheller, Alberta, one of Canada's most fascinating natural wonders. These towering rock formations have been sculpted by the forces of nature over millions of years, and they're waiting for you to explore. The hoodoos are famous for their mushroom-like shape, formed through a process of erosion by wind and water. The harder rock on top protects the softer layers underneath, creating these surreal, almost alien-looking formations. The best way to experience the hoodoos is by hiking the Hoodoo Trail. This short, easy trail lets you get up close to these incredible formations, and the surrounding views of the Badlands are equally stunning. Don't forget to bring your camera. This is one of Alberta's most photogenic spots. Pro tip: visit during the early morning or late afternoon for the best light. The golden hour brings out the rich colors of the rocks and creates an otherworldly atmosphere. Plus, you'll avoid the midday crowds. As you explore, take some time to learn about the fascinating geological history behind the hoodoos. Formed during the Cretaceous period, these formations are millions of years old, telling the story of ancient rivers, sand, and mud that once flowed through the region. While you're in Drumheller, you can't miss the chance to dive into the area's rich prehistoric past. Just a short drive away is the world-renowned Royal Tyrrell Museum of Paleontology, home to one of the largest displays of dinosaur fossils in the world. Whether you're here to marvel at nature's handiwork or take a walk through ancient history, the Hoodoos of Drumheller offer an unforgettable experience. This is one Alberta destination that deserves a spot on your travel list.